YouTube, meet my friends.
Hi, I'm Ankita and I'm a content creator.
Hey, I'm Nishant. I run Chalo Hopo.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Biswas. I'm a portrait photographer.
It's so beautiful. Together we went on a week-long adventurous trip across the beautiful terrains of Nagaland, organized by Chalo Hopo. We had a crazy time exploring this stunning place.
That was so fun.
This series is my travelogue from Nagaland. First morning in Nagaland, and I was welcomed by the beautiful rays of sunlight, giving that comforting feeling in cold weather. I started my Nagaland journey from a base camp in Jakhama village.
Today is 5th of December and the time is right now like close to 9 o'clock in the morning, and I am in Nagaland right now. I came here yesterday and I explored the places around. We went to the site of Hornbill Festival as well. Like there is this arena where the exact Hornbill Festival happens. But then we got really late yesterday. By the time we were reaching the arena where the exact Hornbill Festival takes place, all the activities got over by then. So I'm here in Nagaland for next 5 days and I'll be exploring the places around. Today we are going to this very exciting place known as Dzuleke. It's almost like 2 hours drive from Kohima. I'm currently put up at this place called as Yedika Base Camp from Chalo Hopo, and it's a really nice place. Like you get to see like views of paddy fields around. So yesterday also one thing happened. The audio port in my mic stopped working, so I have started using this lapel mic from Rode. I've not really used it before. I hope it works well. So the audio what you are listening to right now is from this Rode mic, the lapel mic, and yeah, so we have plans of going to Dzuleke today, and it has views of valleys, it has views of riverside. So I'm really excited to explore the place. So yeah, we'll start from here now and I'll keep you all posted.
Let's go. We're getting late.
So before we start the trip, let me introduce you who all are joining me on this trip.
Hi, I'm Ankita and I'm a content creator. So I travel and I create content. This is my 3rd time in Nagaland in the last 2 months. So I clearly love it.
Hey, I'm Nishant. I run Chalo Hopo, and we take people to villages and authentic experience in Northeast India and tell things like Dzuleke has only 35 houses, which Nishi didn't know about.
Yeah.
Hi, I'm Priyanka Biswas. I'm a portrait photographer, and today I'm going to take some portrait on this village.
We bid a goodbye to the people in the camp and started our journey towards Dzuleke. Leaving those beautiful scenes was difficult, but I was really excited to explore Dzuleke, which was my first destination in Nagaland.
Africa, one of the guy who was taking us around, the tour operator, he invited us home for lunch, okay? And his sister's name was Laura, but he kept calling her Laura. And he's like, Laura, please sing a song. And I'm dying laughing, okay?
How will Laura sing a song?
Like, Laura, please sing a song. And I'm laughing so hard, tears are coming out. And all of them are just like, why is she being so weird? And my mom has no idea. And my dad is just like, because I'm singing it.
Just you can say I'm just missing an old friend. He was a very dear friend to me. I haven't seen him in a while.
I was mesmerized by the breathtaking views of surrounding valleys and hills covered in various shades of green. While I was capturing the same through my drone, this happened.
So Nishit, what happened just now?
I just almost lost my drone one more time. It was coming back and I lost the signals and I couldn't see my drone and it landed actually on this tree. And I literally went to jumping from there, just holding my drone, and I could have just literally slipped off this cliff. But then
We
I'm
thought
good.
you'll die.
Got like
Yeah.
some of these things on me.
What do you have on you?
I know it's not very safe for sure.
It looks very pretty for sure.
It's not pretty. I just hope this starts working, otherwise the entire trip is screwed, man.
We'll all pray to Jesus.
Yeah, let's see if it is working. Let's check.
Whoa! It's working!
It's working!
It's working. Hey, it's wonderful.
If you really want something with your true heart, things do fall in place. I guess the universe was conspiring in my favor to enable me to capture the beauty of the place. Pondering over this thought, we continued our journey towards Dzuleke.
Deck the halls with boughs of holly. Fa la 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 la. 'Tis the season to be jolly. Fa la 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 la.
And within no time, we reached Dzuleke, a small village with only 35 houses.
Fa la 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 la.
What's up, man?
Hi.
How is it?
It's so nice. I'm loving the vibe here. It's such a nice, quaint little village with just 35 houses, which is so cool. And there's also a pretty little garden here. Fresh flowers, fresh air. Like, what more could you want?
Do you like Dzuleke?
We haven't seen too much right now. We're gonna have lunch first and then go take a tour around the village.
Yeah.
But yeah, I'm beginning to like it. Let's see how it goes.
The view of this small village, nestled amidst the hills, was truly captivating.
See the blazing go before us.
Away from the hustle bustle of the city, we were engulfed by the bliss of the nature.
Strike the harp and join the chorus. Fa la 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 la.
So this sardine tin, like canned fish thing, normally you associate these with malls and like Walmart and stuff.
Right.
But in my travels, I've seen that anywhere in Northeast, remotest of villages which don't have network or electricity have these cans. Go to Arunachal, go to Nagaland, it's everywhere because. meat
What
and
is this
fish-
can? What is this can?
Sardine fish.
Okay.
Yeah, it's basically a salt solution, brine solution. They have the fish preserved because the meat and fish is part of a diet, so you need to have it.
Fast away the old year passes. Fa la 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 la. Hail the moon and sunset.
He's smoking a BD. You know, tobacco causes cancer. This is guy called as Mukesh.
Yeah, Mukesh is alive though.
He's very popular, man. He's very famous.
Fa la 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 la. Heedless of the wind and weather. Fa la 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 la.
As the sun was setting down, the temperature was dropping drastically, and we decided to head back to our homestay. The prospect of discovering something wonderful seems like a dream. Well, I was living a dream. What happens next? Stay tuned for the next part of my point of view Nagaland.
How's the banana doing in your body?
And this is gong. You know what is gong?
No?
I'll play it.
We hammer it here.
Yes. Oh, right. Okay. And this was, for what purpose was this used for usually?
Those days, ancestors, like during wars, as a warning, or like for the village chief, whom we call Hausa, this is hammered to like bring the attention of everyone in the
Yes.
village
Yeah.
to head towards the chief house.